Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Vanguard, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Vanguard website. Once on the home page, look for the investing option in the main menu. Hover over this option to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Open an account from the drop-down options. You will be directed to a page that outlines different account types. Review the available options, which may include individual accounts, retirement accounts, and education accounts. Choose the type of account that best fits your investment goals. Click on the Open Account button next to your selected account type. Read through the information provided on the next page and click Continue. You will be prompted to create a Vanguard account if you do not already have one. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password that meets the site's security criteria. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the corresponding box. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Once your account is created, you will need to provide additional personal details. This information may include your social security number and address. Ensure all the information you provide is accurate to avoid issues later. After entering your details, review everything one last time. If all looks good, click Continue to move to the next step. You may be asked about your financial situation and investment experience. Provide honest answers to help Vanguard tailor their recommendations for you. Next, review the investment options available for your chosen account type. Choose your preferred investment products and asset allocations. If you have any specific funds in mind, search for them in the provided search bar. Once you've made your selections, click Continue to finalize your choices. You will now need to add funding information for your account. Choose whether you want to fund your account via bank transfer, check, or another method. Enter your banking details if you select a bank transfer. Verify all entered information again to ensure accuracy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.